Here are a few more Gametracer tips and tricks for you in terms how to handle the user interface and the game per se. First of all, to zoom in and out of your scene, you can use the scroll wheel on your mouse to like zoom in or out. And on any mobile device, you just pinch your fingers in and out to zoom. Then in order to move the scene around, on PC, you just click and hold the mouse wheel. It's like this. And on mobile devices, you use 2 fingers to swipe left and right if you want to move the scene. Then additionally, we have this little arrow here on the side. You have a few additional little icons here. You have the delete everything button. Basically, this red triangle will completely reset your the game you created, delete everything except the background. Then we have the grid. You can use a grid. You can enable or disable this one to give you a little bit better idea about the sizes and the limitations you have. Then you can also disable the background if you like that in edit mode. You can disable the textures in edit mode to give you a better idea of distances if it's like kind of distracting to you. Then these two are redo and undo. So if you added something or you changed something you didn't like, you can just click on this little button here. So it goes one step back. Or if you thought, okay, no, that was actually quite okay, then you can just re-enable it again with this one, with this arrow here. A few other tricks. We have, of course, different themes you can choose from to make your levels with. You can simply change the background, for example here. Then you see your whole game will use that specific background and also the environment. So for example, if I press on play now, you'll see that this one is a rainy, dark type of environment. So you can simply change that. You can go back to edit and then decide, nah, I like the more sunny, friendly approach better. And there you go. Very simple. The same, you can just change your whole theme as well. So if I click on the Maya theme here, choose a different background. I'm going for the scary one again. You'll see that all the props you added automatically change to the props of that specific theme. So if I press play now, you're basically exploring that specific theme as little Indiana Jones wannabe. Here we go. And back to editing mode again. We have, of course, more themes to choose from. You can also just change textures of specific platforms. So if I click on the draw icon here in the draw tab and then chose a specific platform, you can change to another texture here. You see here, I'm going to go for this one and then just click this little round arrow button here and it will load the platform with your new texture. Very simple. You can do that, of course, as many times as you like, for as many platforms as you like. Yeah. And there you have it. A few additional tips and tricks for your Gametracer editing.